Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to today's bonus SOAR episode in honor of National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day. Today is a fun national day in which you can help out your parents and have a good time cooking food for the family. Our parents work so hard to provide home-cooked meals for us daily, and if you yourself are a parent listening to this, please take advantage of this opportunity. You deserve it. It's your day. Especially during COVID-19 and the immense increase in the number of home-cooked meals, parents put in much time and effort to feed us, and it's time us children return the favor. So today, please try to make sure that your parents aren't in the kitchen cooking at all. You might as well even get some caution tape and restrict them from entering. Today, try to pitch in, make the roles be switchin', and help out in the kitchen. Don't be afraid of your age, even if you're just teenage. Buckle up and get ready for the kitchen stage. The Young Chefs Academy is one that promotes cooking for children and today's youth. They were the ones who initiated this day, and empowering kids to prepare their own grub is quite beneficial, as they will no longer have to be dependent on their parents for meals. If you choose to celebrate this day, stay safe in the kitchen and make food the right way. To support SOAR's mission, I will be recommending a few books that are related to this episode. To begin, continuing with the theme of Sunday episodes being books that are also movies, the first book I would like to recommend is The 100-Foot Journey. I have read the movie for this story, and I loved it. It's about how an Indian chef transformed the lives of the town he went to, and how his immense skill took him to great heights. Hassan, the chef, makes new friends and enhances his cooking through the opportunity of working across a famous French cuisine restaurant. If the book is half as good as the movie was, I'm sure you'll have a great time. The next book I want to recommend is Pomegranate Soup. This one is a bit heavier, as it's about 3 Iranian sisters who flee Revolution-era Iran to live in Ireland. There, they open their own store and sell their native Persian food. This is supposed to be a wonderful view of Persian cooking implemented into Irish living. The next book to be recommended is The Apprentice, My Life in the Kitchen, a memoir of someone who has been referred to as the best chef in America. This is a story of a boy who lived through war in France and then came to America, where he revolutionized food. His suspenseful and intriguing life story, as well as how he shaped food in America, contribute to the excellence of this novel. The next novel is Life on the Line. This is an inspiring true story of a chef that overcomes tongue cancer and becomes an international cooking celebrity. Grant, a chef diagnosed with tongue cancer, is told that his entire tongue would have to be removed. Instead, he undergoes chemo and other types of therapy, but he ends up having to lose skin from his mouth and throat, but eventually, after 5 months, is declared cancer-free. He was given the James Beard Foundation Award for being the most outstanding chef in America. Next is Delicious, which also has no movie. This book is about Billy, who has some traumatic memories of cooking, and her elder sister, but how she gets over them through the discovery of letters with her magazine job. Finally is Julie and Julia, which is also a movie. Julie Powell attempts to cook all 254 legendary recipes from the wonderful chef Julia Child. Through perseverance, she learned many new cooking techniques and changed her life for the better. I hope that you will give some of these a chance, because I feel as though they will all be excellent reads. These are not books that I've read previously, but books that are on my reading list. Please mention in the comments any of the books that you would maybe want a full book chiller for, and also which of these are the best when you read them, because I'm going to end up reading them myself. Thank you for listening to today's episode, and be sure to leave a rating and review. I implore you